Hey yo, Victor here, and welcome back to my devlog. So I was watching like Pessimism play Resident Evil HD Remaster, and of course they are playing with the Doorscape mod. So since I like playing the GameCube and Wii versions, besides of course the HD Remaster, but I like the original ones like way too much. I thought about just making like a Doorscape mod for at least for practicing. I do not actually speedrun the game, but yeah, let me show you. For those who do not play Resident Evil games, every time you transition from a room to another, you have to see like this door animation. So what my script actually does is that if we are to run it, it just removes every door animation and makes transitions really fast. So at least for practicing, because it's actually obviously an external tool, but people use it on the PC version, and there is a category extension for speedrunning it. So I think that actually like a console category extension for the Doorscape mod would be nice. So I'm just going to be doing a small gameplay on it so that you can see like how it performs and things like that. But yeah, this is something that like a small rant and a small what if I'm not going to be doing the staircase thing, but what if there is a category extension for the console runners to actually enjoy Doorscape mod on the GameCube and the Wii. Maybe potentially there could be like a mod for the PS3, Xbox 360. I don't know for how many consoles this thing has been. But yeah, this is basically what I wanted to showcase. Let's just get into the next room, and I'll just leave the video here. I'll be probably releasing it in the future. This is all the code. There's actually this thing, because my Emihook library, let me have a look at it. Yeah. My Emihook library actually supports like many systems. But yeah, this Wii version actually just requires like one line of code and a loop, and of course instantiating the Emihook library in order for it to actually do its thing. Oops, this thing is going to hit me. Yeah, so basically this is something that I wanted to showcase. Of course we can actually just disable thing, and right now we come back to having like door animations. So yeah, that's simple. So hope you like this video, and see you around.